Hey guys, welcome back. So my wife is on her way back to the city this morning, and I'm always pretty bummed out when she leaves because I prefer it if she's here. So feeling rather depressed. I'm not going to do much today, but one thing I really want to do is take care of this water situation. Before I get into that though, I just want to say if you're subscribed to my channel and you're not getting notifications, make sure the little bell is clicked, and you can even go into your settings and look at your notification settings, and there you can select to get occasional notifications or all notifications. I don't know why you'd click the bell and only want occasional notifications. That seems silly to me, but anyway, take a look at that. Yeah, so this water situation, it's, my wife mentioned this in the video yesterday, but yeah, I dislike not having running water as well. Running water is really, really nice to have, but anyway, this is kind of part of the life, and this is what I wanted to show you, a slice of my life. This is what I have to put up with. So we're getting pretty low in water, and in the spring, summer, and fall, obviously I get the rain barrels going, which works great. I get lots of water, and I didn't need to bring in any water at all during those times, but and then once it started snowing, I could melt snow, which was also working really well. And what I was doing is I was taking snow off the shelter where I knew the dogs haven't been. Unfortunately, now there is no snow in the shelter, and it's snowed a couple of times, and I can't really tell anymore where they've been and where they haven't been. And the other thing that happened is it actually hasn't snowed in about a week, and the snow has melted a little bit and frozen a little bit and then melted a bit and then frozen a little bit, and it's really hard and crusty, and the other thing that's happened is it's really dirty. So I don't like the prospect of trying to find good snow around here. Anyway, it was sunny this morning. It was sunny a few minutes ago, but it's supposed to start raining this afternoon, and it's supposed to rain for the next couple of days and be quite mild. So I'm going to see if I can dig out one of my rain barrels and set it up, and then I'll have lots of water. My only challenge is that a lot of snow has come off the roof and made a great big mound of snow on the other side of the cabin as well as here, and it's going to be a little bit of digging to clear off the platform that the rain barrel sits on. The other stupid thing I did was I left the blue rain barrel full of water. I shouldn't have, but I did, and it froze, and the bottom ballooned out, and the whole thing fell over. And I don't think I could. If it's still, I'm gonna check it. If it's still full of ice, then obviously I can't use it, but I can use the other one, the other barrel. Anyway, you good girl? All right, let's get at it. Carefully positioned so that I can just kneel on the deck and get the bucket right in the barrel there to scoop water out. Well, I've learned my lesson about not emptying my barrels. Shit. Water and water and lots of water and oh, that's leftovers, and more water and more water, and it's still raining. Junebug, what are you doing? You're getting wet. Where's Willow? Here she comes. What a boner. Yep, right across the dark spot there. And the barrel's almost full again. Yay! So that's the water situation. All my containers are full. I filled up every one I could. Well, most of them anyway. And it's been raining all morning again, so my barrel is full as well. So lots of water. I'm pretty happy about it. And it's supposed to be pretty mild over the next few days as well. Over the next couple of weeks, like milder than normal, average temperatures. One thing I wanted to show you before I go here, this is my water filtering container. So whether I'm taking water out of the barrels or melting snow, if I want to use it for drinking, then I pass it through my filtering system. And these filters, these ceramic filters, will filter out almost everything. All bacteria you can think of, anything that would be dangerous in this area, including beaver fever, giardia, and the other one I can never remember. Now, one thing to note, I left this sitting here with a little bit of water in the bucket when we went home, or back to the city for the Christmas holidays. And I don't know if you can see that, but see what happened to my filter? Yeah, I'm getting crap all over the place. And I sort of knew that would happen. I thought maybe there wasn't enough water in there to bother it, but I guess these take a long time to dry out. And the other one that's in there doesn't look like it's broken, but I know it's damaged, because if there's water in the filter and it freezes and it expands, it's going to damage the membranes, and it's not going to be any good anymore. So in future, and when I bought these, I bought 4 of them. 2 are in storage and 2 are in the pot, so I'll throw these 2 out. The 2 in storage should still be fine, but in future, if I go back to the city, or if I leave the cabin for a couple of days and I know there's going to be freezing temperatures, I'm going to take them with me, you know, and keep them warm so that doesn't happen, because that's a darn shame. Anyway, thanks for following along with this video and watching a slice of my life. Boy, there's black crap coming out of there. I'll put that back in there for now. Yeah, and that's my water situation. That's what I have to go through to get water. And most of the year, as I said, it's fine. It works great. I love not having to carry water in here. But for now, that's what I got to do. Sure, there's lots of plans for the future. I know lots of people have ideas on what I should be doing here for water. But that's for the future. It's down the road. It's low on the priority list. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing so for awesome videos like this, where I work on bringing in water. Whatever. And yeah, don't forget to click that like button, and we'll see you in the next video, or the next Brooks Fest, which will probably be Friday, if not sooner. Take care, guys.